Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to stake your cryptocurrency coin and make a very safe profit in this crypto world, because staking is something like investing your money on the fixed deposit and you're going to get some interest, and that's how this staking is work. And in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to stake the cryptocurrency that you're holding right now and make more profit. So as I said earlier, it is one of the safest investment. The only way that you could end up with a loss is if the cryptocurrency depreciate rather than appreciate, then you will end up with a loss. In other cases, say if the cryptocurrency trade at the same price for 1 year, or if the cryptocurrency keep appreciating, then you will end up with profit, because even if it trade at the same price for 1 year, you are going to get more number of coin deposit back to your spot wallet. So in that way you make a profit. And if the cryptocurrency appreciate, then you will end up with more profit. So let me show you how to stake. Go to Binance homepage, click on the finance and click the Binance here, and here under the fixed term you will find a staking. So it shows TRX and IOST. Click on the view more. There are two staking here, locked staking and DeFi staking, and some of them are already sold out. So here if you see that it attached a tag sold out. So to list only the available cryptocurrency staking, enable this checkbox display available only, and at the bottom you can find expand all. Select that, and this is a token and the annual interest that you're going to get if you stake this particular coin, and the duration that are available for staking. So if you look at the TRX coin, you have two type of duration. One is you can stake this TRX for 15 days, otherwise 30 days. So if you stake it for 15 days, you will get 34%, close to 35% profit. And if you stake the same TRX coin for 30 days, you will get 10.98% profit. So sometimes the currency will be vice versa. For example, let's take this auction. The annual percentage for 30 days is 25.65, and 60 it's 28, and for 90 days it's 32. It's keep increasing. So let me show you how this calculation work. So let me open the calculator here to show you how this calculation work. So let's say you're going to stake 100 TRX for 30 days. So put 100, and the interest rate is, let's assume it as 11%. So for 100, so per year you will get 11 TRX coin if you invest 100. So you're going to keep that for 30 days. So just divide that by 12 equal months, because 30 days will be considered as a 1 month. So you will end up with 1 TRX coin if you invest 100 TRX coin for 30 days. And if you invest 1000, you will get 10, and if you invest 10,000, you will get 100 TRX coin per month. Just think about the case for this 30%. So you will end up in 3x percentage of your return, and look at the 47% for 15 days for this 1-inch coin. You will end up with almost 50% of the profit per year. So your return will be almost close to 5x. So just have a look at all these things and pick the coin that you are going to invest. Do a thorough research before staking the coin on your own. So let me show you how to stake. So let's assume that you are going to stake this 1-inch coin for 15 days. Click on the stake now, and the type is locked, and the duration is 15. Here you can see the minimum amount and the maximum amount that you can stake. So if you click on the max, if you have 100 1-inch token, it will calculate as a 50, and if you have 10 or 50 1-inch, the same will be populated here. And if you look at the summary, the stake date is today, but the interest calculation begin from tomorrow which means April 19th, and the interest period will be calculated every 1 day, and the interest will be deposited to your spot wallet, and the end date here is 5/3 because we are going to stake it for 15 days, and the redemption date is May 5. So on this date, your staked coin will be returned back to spot wallet. So once you read all the summary, click on I have read and agree and click on the confirm purchase. That's it. You are ready to stake. Right now I don't have any 1 inch token, that's why I'm not able to stake. So if you have a valid 1 inch token, you will see this button enabled, and upon clicking confirm purchase, the coin will be staked automatically and the interest will be disbursed starting from tomorrow. This is how the staking works. Please do let me know if you have any question related to staking. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.